I'm at the Ben & Jerry's flavor graveyard, and I'll be rating these ice creams on what I think they would taste like.
In my next video. Well, we at the next video. Now let's rate some ice cream. And while we at rating some ice cream, I feel like I held my end of the bargain. Now you guys should hold y'all end of the bargain. And subscribe. From 1996 to 2001, Ben & Jerry came out with the purple passion fruit fat-free sorbet. Yikes. It sounded like it could have been good, but fat-free, smooth 6.8 out of 10. From 2006 to 2008, 2 years, anything with coffee, 1.1 out of 10. From 1993 to 2001, Ben & Jerry came out with the wavy gravy. I don't know, it's not my style with the caramel, but I like vanilla ice cream, so 3.8 out of 10. From 2006 to 2010, we got the turtle soup ice cream. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I like cashews, I like vanilla. 3.8 might have been a little low. I just can't do them all together. In 2013, Ben & Jerry released the pina colada ice cream, and that gets a hell no out of 10. And I ain't gonna lie, I even said that in the moment.
Pina colada, hell no out of 10.
Aloha macadamia from 2001 to 2002, it gets a smooth 0 out of 10. If you look, it has dark fudge. I'm not even a chocolate guy like that. I definitely don't like dark chocolate. So yeah, that's a yeah. From 1998 to 2001, Ben & Jerry came out with Divinity. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not a big chocolate guy, especially not in ice cream. But once again, you put dark chocolate in, you get a 0. Pep cheerio, hello governors. Now we take a bottle of water. Ben & Jerry decided to create an ice cream that represents the UK. It's a vanilla and strawberry ice cream with a fudge shortbread. I don't know, the fudge threw me off, but really it sounds like it could be good. So I'm gonna give it a smooth 8. From 2000 to 2001, Ben & Jerry came out with chocolate peppermint crunch. I like peppermint chocolate. I can't lie on that one. But it has chocolate ice cream, chocolate peppermint balls and crunches. That's just too much chocolate. It's just too much. From 2009 to 2010, Ben & Jerry came out with Mission to Marzipan. It's a sweet cream ice cream with almond cookies in it. I don't know, that sounds fire. I don't know, man. I just can't imagine what sweet cream tastes like. Maybe like a sweeter vanilla ice cream. But I had to give it a smooth 7.9 out of 10. Not sure when this ice cream flavor came out, but Dave Matthews Magic Brownie recipe, I can't do it. I mean, it has vanilla, but it also has chocolate and raspberry too. So it's a smooth 0 out of 10. No. From 2005 to 2012, Ben & Jerry came up with their cake batter ice cream. That low-key entices your boy. Because I don't know what sweet cream ice cream is. That sound amazing. But with the yellow cake too, that sound like that could be super good. But I don't know, so I'm going to go 7.7 out of 10. I'm just going to make it safe. But damn it, that could be good. In 2010 2011, Ben & Jerry made a chocolate macadamia ice cream. And it seemed very cool because only the macadamia nuts is chocolate, but the rest is vanilla. So I can get jiggy with that. I'm going to give it a smooth 6 out of 10. From 2012 to 2015, they came up with Peanut Butter Me Up. And I ain't going to lie to you, I like peanut butter just as much as the next guy. Not that much to have it in a whole tub of ice cream. So 4.3 out of 10. From 1991 to 2001, they came out with a Neapolitan Dynamite. Yo, cool name. But I don't like them flavors. I'm not a big cherry guy. Cherries on ice cream and chocolate, I can't do it. Another 0.0 out of 10. I'm sorry, guys. From 2002 to 2003, they came out with making whoopie pie. And I'm not a fan of the little whoopie pie ice cream, little snacks. So I'm not going to like the ice cream either, because I'm not crazy about ice cream. So that also gets a 0 out of 10. From 1994 to 2002, Ben & Jerry came out with chocolate chip cookie dough, frozen yogurt base though. And I was like, you know what? I went and bought this one. This might be good. But I thought about it. Frozen yogurt, no. That would be completely, nope, boom. From 1993 to 1996, coconut almond fudge chip ice cream. They brought it back 3 times. We don't do coconut in chocolate. We don't do chocolate in coconut. It's not good. It's a 0 out of 10. From 2003 to 2012, we got the oatmeal cookie chunk. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know. Something about that seems like it's gonna taste good. It reminds me like an oatmeal cream pie. I'm gonna go 7 out of 10. From 2007 to 2012, Ben & Jerry came out with the creme brulee ice cream. It has a sweet custard ice cream with a caramelized sugar swirl. That sound fire. Why did we get rid of that? Ben, bring it back. That sound kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not the craziest about a creme brulee, but I feel like an ice cream creme brulee. Come on now, come on now. You gotta try something. From 1989 to 1999, Ben & Jerry came out with this limited edition flavor, Rainforest Crunch. I don't know too much about it, but I can say 0.9 out of 10. Crunchy ice cream, ain't it? From 2004 to 2006, Ben & Jerry came out with their own ice cream sandwich, cookie dough ice cream sandwich. Let that sink in. Come on now. Why would y'all take this off the market? That's a smooth 9.8 out of 10 in my opinion. That probably would be amazing. From 2000 to 2000, they came out with Peanuts popcorn. And get that shit out of here. I don't know. I'm not digging that. What the fuck was they thinking? I don't like that. That pissed me off. Nah. No, 0.0 out of 10. From 1997 to 1998, they came out with the Holy Cannoli. And I ain't gonna lie to you. If I'm looking at it, it looked like it could be good. That's a smooth 8 point. From 2005 to 2010, we got fossil fuel. And that's just way too much chocolate for me. I'm gonna have to give it a 3. Maybe lower, but 3 for solid. Ew. Honey vanilla ice cream with fudge covered honeycomb candy nuggets. That sounds a little crazy. The Honey I'm Home ice cream came out in 2002 and ended in 2002. But it gets a 9 out of 10 for me. Peanut butter ice cream with caramel little cluster nuggets and marshmallow swirls. It gets a smooth 2 out of 10. The marshmallow swirls is what really brought me up. Like, okay, but a full part peanut butter ice cream? No. 1996 to 2001, Ben & Jerry came out with Devil's Food Chocolate, a chocolate sorbet, a fully chocolate sorbet at that. Ew. From 2011 to 2011, Ben & Jerry came out Schweddy Balls in your mouth. I ain't gonna lie to you. From 2014 to 2018, Ben & Jerry came out. That's my jam. Hell no. We not doing raspberry and chocolate. No. 0.0 out of 10. In 2011 to 2012, Ben & Jerry came out with Coconutly Fair. Nah, get that shit out of here. 0.00 out of 10. We don't do coconut and chocolate. We don't do chocolate and coconut in general. No. These are a few flavors. I couldn't find the pictures of the container, so I just got the tombstone. Chocolate Comfort came out in 1999, ended in 1999. It got a 2 out of 10. Cadbury Boom from 2001 to 2001. Too much fruit and cream to me. 1.8. R.I.P. Ethan. 1988 to 1988. It's cool, smooth. It got vanilla and some chocolate almonds. That's about it. 2010, 2016, Boston Cream Pie. That kind of sounds good. Not gonna lie to you. 6.5 out of 10. This Is Nuts. 2001, 2002. Too much nuts. 0.5 out of 10. Au Pair. 1997 to 1997. I don't even like the regular pear itself, so I'm not eating an ice cream and pear. No. 1.3 out of 10. The Fresh Georgia Peach. 1986 to 1991. Ooh, that sound like that could be fire. Yeah, I'm gonna give it an 8.4 out of 10. The White Russian from 1986 to 1996. I'm not gonna lie to you. I told you anything with coffee. 1.5 out of 10. From 1989 to 1990, Ben & Jerry came out with a sugar plum, and it seemed like it would have been a nice sorbet, but no, it's more of a nasty ice cream. 0.9 out of 10. Last but not least, we got a Tennessee Mud with some Jack Daniels in it. It came from 1988 to 1989, and that sounds disgusting. Yuck. I'm gonna give it a 3.3 out of 10 though. I've been rating so many flavors. It's about time I tell my favorite ice cream flavor. It's vanilla. I know it's boring. I know it's basic, but it's my favorite. Thank y'all for making it this far and watching. Make sure y'all subscribe.